In the university, what do you study if you want to study the human mind and behaviors? Psychology. What is the section in the library called, where you can only read but cannot bring the books out of the library? Reserve collection. What books can only be read in the library but cannot be borrowed out of the library? Reserve collection. What do you call the people who work on boats? Sailors. What is the yellow stuff found on beaches or deserts? Sand. How many days are there in a week? Seven. What animal is a shepherd responsible for? Sheep. Where in the universe do we get solar energy? Sun. What are the people who study religions? Theologian. What do you call people who travel to visit famous sightseeing locations? Tourists. What is the document do students receive at the end of the semester that shows a student's units and grades? Transcript. What are buses, trains, and cars used for? travel, transport, transportation.
In addition to A, E, I, O, what is the other vowel letter? U. When it's raining, what object would you raise over your head? Umbrella. How do we describe the position of subterranean? Underground.